Hello guys, let's talk today about the Mubview camera is offline. The camera is not connected to the router or you can't see the camera in your app. So here I have some tips about things that you can check. As you can see, my camera is working here. It has this blue LED that's blinking because when I move in front of the camera shows that's working, right? You need to have this status of the LED here, right? If it's not like that, if it's you have a red LED here because the camera is not working. If you don't have any LED at all, you need to charge your camera. Let me just show you here that this camera has a battery inside, and then you need to charge it, right? So here you can uncover this and you can use your cable to charge your camera. Well, basically here I have this cable that I can connect here and start charging my camera, right? It's a USB connection here. You can charge your camera. Then you can see that the camera will have power. You need to see an LED here. Still, if the camera is not working because the camera is already charged, but the LED is blinking there, but you can't access your camera, you can reset the camera. There's a reset button here. You just need to press it like this, and then the camera is going to reset and you can start over, right? You hear a cuckoo sound. It's pretty interesting. It's like a cuckoo, right? And then you hear a blip and the camera start blinking. Now it's blinking red, as you can see. Okay, let me just put the base back here so it's easy to set up like this, because you need to point the camera to a cell phone. With the base, it's very easy to do, right? So here have the camera blinking, and then you bring your app, and here use the Mubview app. Here have the camera already working, but let me just remove here so see how it works. I delete the device here. Here we go, and then I add a new device. Battery camera, that's the one. Here click next. You see the instructions here, can reset your camera if it's not blinking. In my case it is, so I just click next. Here you see the signal 2.4. Don't select 5 gigahertz. That's also important. Sometimes your camera is offline because you're trying to connect the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Don't, just connect to the 2.4 and here insert your password, right? I'll just get some focus here. Here we go, and click next. Okay, and now you need to click next again and point your camera to your QR code. Oops, here we go. You could read it, so click next, and here it's connecting, right? Then you're gonna see that the camera is going to change the LED here to blue, so it's basically working. Let me just put something here so you can see the camera working. I'm just pointing there to this box. The camera is now connecting. And if you made a mistake here, for example, the password is incorrect for the Wi-Fi, is not going to connect. In my case, it's correct. So what's added successfully, it's working now. I click next here, and here I have some information about battery and everything else, about installation. It's basically installation guide with all the information that you need to have your camera working. And here you see the strong signal. Remember that I'm connecting to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So your Mubview camera works with 2.4 gigahertz, right? So if it's your Mubview camera is offline, make sure you have it connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So it's done. I select here a name, click done again, and the camera is working now. Okay, just need to connect, it's encrypt the connection, and here you go, working now. Again, connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay. So that's how you can solve the problem with the Mubview camera offline, all right? If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.